Hey, it's James. Welcome back to Tech Pulse for another YouTube video. If you're dealing with the iPhone lock to owner issue, also known as the iCloud activation lock, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through all the possible ways to remove the iCloud activation lock. These methods work across all Apple devices, whether it's an iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. I understand you've probably tried various software and unlocking services only to be disappointed when they didn't work. You're not alone. I've been in the same boat, spending money on services that promised results but failed to deliver. But what if I told you there's a better solution? A method that's safer, faster, and, best of all, completely free. That's right. This method is not only free, but also tested and proven to consistently remove iCloud activation locks on devices. It has worked every single time I've used it. So stick around until the end of the video, and I'll share this amazing solution with you. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Just a little reminder, this guide is designed for those who own their device but need help because they forgot their login details. We don't tolerate illegal items that unlock stolen devices. Let's keep to legal practices and respect each other's rights. Our videos are all complying with YouTube's terms and conditions. Got it? Let's start. Grab your iPhone or Android or any other device like a desktop and open your browser. Go ahead and type ditchsim.com into the search bar. Once you're on the website, click this button saying iCloud. In this next page, you'll need to fill in the necessary details of the device you're trying to unlock. The most important information required here is the IMEI number of your device. This number is essential for bypassing the iCloud activation lock. Don't know your IMEI number? No worries. Here's how you can find it. If you do not know how to find your IMEI, I'll guide you on how to find it. Simply press this iOS tutorial button. After you click it, you will see a short tutorial on how to retrieve your IMEI. Once you have the IMEI, enter it here. Make sure to confirm your IMEI number before proceeding to the next step to prevent any problems. After entering the IMEI, you'll need to select your device type. Since we are unlocking an iPhone, I'll select iOS device. Now click the Unlock button to begin the process of bypassing the iCloud activation lock. The system will now begin working to remove the lock. This can take a few minutes, so be patient as it completes the necessary steps. While we wait, remember to keep your device connected to the internet for the process to complete smoothly. Once the process is almost complete, let's move over to my iPhone and check if the activation lock is already removed. Let's restart the iPhone first so we can see the result of the unlocking process. After the process has finished, the iPhone should now be unlocked, and you will be able to access the home screen without seeing the iPhone locked to owner message anymore. Congratulations! Your iPhone is now free from the iCloud activation lock, and you can set it up as new or restore from a backup. You're ready to enjoy your unlocked iPhone. Did the method not work for you? No problem, we have a solution. We're offering 300 free unlocks every week for our loyal viewers. Want to enter? It's simple. Like the video. Subscribe to our channel. Comment your device model. Make sure your comment includes your device model, IMEI, and country name. Once all steps are completed, you'll be entered into the weekly free unlock draw. Ensure you provide the right details to avoid any issues. Best of luck. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and hit subscribe for more content and lessons. Also, be sure to hit the notification bell so you stay updated with any new uploads. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Bye.